Hi, I'm Robert with Land Pro Equipment, the Fairmont City, Pennsylvania location. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the X500 series and the X700 series. We'll go over the differences between the two, what might work with your application might be the 500 or the 700, so we'll quickly go over that. Real quickly, if you're mowing 2 to 5 acres, the X500 will probably get the job done for you, should get the job done for you. It's fantastic on that. The 700 series will be for 5+ acres or 3 or more acres, more acreages. The X500 series, this is the X590. This is a fuel-injected engine. We're doing away with the choke on this, so cold weather starting is easier. It's better. It comes with the tilt steering wheel. It also has power steering, so one-finger steering, effortless steering. Great when you're mowing around obstacles and stuff like that. Also has a hydraulic lift for the deck to raise and lower it, which is really nice for the deck. This machine is also capable of getting a snowplow or snowblower put on the front of it for wintertime use. That same lift that lifts your deck up will be the power assist that will raise and lower your snowblower or snowblade as well, taking the effort away from you, making it simple. Cut and sewn seat, high back seat on this, makes it a very comfortable ride. Takes a lot of the bumps and stuff out, makes it very comfortable to ride. The X590, and I should say there's 3 series in the X500. There's the X570, the X580, and the X590. The 580 and the 590 have what's called the HDAP, the heavy duty all-purpose tire. It allows for better traction, especially when the snow equipment, or if you're on a hilly terrain, it allows for that. Both the 580 and 590 are hydraulic lift with the power steering. The 570 has manual steering and manual lift. Both the 580 and 590 have the 58-inch, or the 54-inch, I'm sorry, Excel deep deck, which if you look, this is an industry thing here. John Deere has more discharge space than any other brand. So between the depth of the deck and that opening, it allows a lot of air volume and it pushes the grass out really well so you don't have clumping or build-up or windrowing effect, which works out well. Now speaking this also, the 500 series also have differential lock, one tire slips, step on it, boom, both tires are working to get you out of trouble. We go from that, we'll look at the 700 series. This is the X738. There are actually 5 different 700 series you can get. You can do 2-wheel drive gas, 2-wheel drive diesel, 4-wheel drive gas, 4-wheel drive diesel, and then they make an all-wheel steer gas, which the rear tires turn as well. This one here, the X738, is a Kawasaki gas engine, liquid cooled, all-wheel drive. You do not put it in or out of 4-wheel drive. It operates like a car. It's there all the time when you need it. This one has the 60-inch high-capacity deck, auto connect. And it's a drive over deck, so when you're done with the deck, a couple small things you release, you literally back over this deck, you're off of it for maintenance, to pick it up, to sharpen the blades, stuff like that. Like I said, this is a liquid cooled Kawasaki gas engine, so you have the radiator and everything. It's a fuel injected engine as well. Again, no choke to monkey with. It has the high back seat. And I should say, and it has an armrest. You can buy armrests for all 5 and 7 series. You can buy armrest kits if you want to. This has HDAP tires on the back and the front for added traction. The 2-wheel drive versions come with turf tires on it. Then if you go around to this side, which the camera comes around, you'll see hydraulic ports on here, which for snow removal, if you hook a snow blade or a snowblower up, you can get a broom attachment for the front. For sidewalks or light snow, brooms work well. That gives you your power lift on it, and it'll also give you power angle. So you can angle the blade from these levers up here by using the hydraulics on the tractor. Warranty, I'll talk about PowerGuard warranty. You get a fantastic warranty, 4 years from John Deere. But you can buy a PowerGuard extended warranty as well on both the 5 and all models from John Deere. What that gives you, what I feel the best advantage is, if you have a warrantable failure at your location, you do not have to pay transportation costs for us to come get it and bring it back to your shop. We will come pick it up, bring it in, repair it, bring it back to you at no charge then for transportation. That is a huge advantage in my thought process, my opinion, of why the Power Guard is so important. And then plus it extends the life of the warranty out. You can go, a few years longer than the factory warranty with it. In those prices, you can see a salesman, they can discuss the different options on that. Your displays on both models will show you your fuel gauge is now on a dash display, along with when your PTO is on, when your parking brake is set. If you get any errors or codes, that'll all be on the display of the tractor now. The fuel gauge being up there is nice because we all know we run out of fuel and don't know it sometimes until it's too late and you're a mile from the shed. The 700 series has tail lights, also has reverse lights, so if you're working in the evening, this is nice. If you're out near a roadway or you're a business owner and you're clearing out and light is bad, it's a little safety feature for it. There's all sorts of accessories you can buy for these. You can get mulch kits for the deck. You can get bagging systems. On the 500 series, you can do a 2 or 3 bag system for it. 7 or 14 bushel. The 700 series, you can actually get a dump from the seat system where you back up, push a button, a clamshell, it opens up, it dumps all the debris out, your leaf cleaning, your grass clippings out, close it, back off you go mowing again. Very simple to use. It can all be set up before you take delivery of it. So it's real simple of that. Okay, if you have any other questions about the X500 or the X700, feel free to go to our website, www.landproequipment.com, or stop into your local Landpro dealership and ask to speak to a salesman and get the information.